The first scenario we'll be talking about is global epidemics. A global epidemic is a disease that spreads through the majority of the population. Our first piece of evidence is Ebola spreading through West Africa, then spreading to the United States.
If you don't know, Ebola is a virus, so that means there's actually no cure, you just have to have an immunity to it. If you do not have an immunity, you have to have a strong immune system to be able to fight off the virus. Some diseases, like Ebola, have a long wait time until the first symptoms show up. So for 2 weeks you'll have the virus, but you won't know it, and you'll infect more people in that time.
The reason we chose Ebola is because of the big scare that happened in 2014. Media surrounding global epidemics is World War Z. World War Z is about an infectious disease that when it affects people, it turns them into zombies, killing everyone. Our next scenario is particle accelerator mishap. This is possible because we currently have thousands of functional colliders. This is new technology we may not be able to control. It creates large amounts of energy unlike what we've seen. Enough power to produce a stable micro black hole which can slowly eat away the planet. Some particle accelerators can send nucleuses of hydrogen atoms that can almost travel to the speed of light. Two particles colliding can cause a singularity, which is the core of a black hole. Oh, we're lying.
Cian chose this because he loves world domination. Yeah. The media surrounding particle accelerators is a TV show called The Flash. In The Flash, there is a small particle accelerator which explodes, giving a bunch of people superpowers, which is not really possible, but it is TV.
Our last scenario is flood basalt volcanism. The evidence for flood basalt volcanism is that volcanoes exist and they can erupt with basalt in the lava. Plus, there have been recorded actions of flood basalt volcanism before in the past. When the volcano erupts, lava kills most life, then ash covers the earth and blocks out the sun, killing most animals and causing a majority of species to go extinct. I chose this because I felt that this was the most likely one to happen, and it sounded a lot like bath salts. Our example of media is Pompeii, which is when a volcano erupts and the ash covers up a city and the lava destroyed it and killed all people.
It's based on a real story too. That's the end of our video, and you all should be wearing tinfoil hats by now.